Hello! Today I will be showing you how to find the Nebula Doggo glitch-free in the Roblox game Find the Doggos. First thing you want to do is teleport to the moon. Now this doggo was added in a not-so-recent update where they added all of these space doggos, like that one over there, that one over there. But this one, all the videos on how to get this one utilize this glitch that has been patched in the most recent update, and for that reason I will be showing you how to obtain this doggo the intended way, glitch-free. So first thing you want to do is click here and type into it, in all caps, NGC. You'll see that that has lit up a little bit. And then the second thing you want to do is type into here 6888. And now the doggo has popped up, so you just collect it. And stick around if you'd like to see how I obtained this answer, or if you'd like to know how this glitch originally worked. So first of all, the solution. So this right here is what is known as a substitution cryptogram, whereby each letter in some phrase is replaced by either another letter or, in this case, a symbol. And so what I did to solve this was first I converted each symbol into just some letter, and then I plugged it into an online CryptoQuip solver and solved it based on what was the most statistically likely phrase. And so right here we see that it translates into new general catalog, which if you look that up, you'll find that this was this compendium made in the 1800s of all the astronomical objects that we knew of at the time, including galaxies, star clusters, and nebulas. And so it says that after decrypting the phrase to turn it into an acronym, and the acronym for New General Catalog is NGC. And if you're wondering where this palpable depiction comes from, that is the definition of the word Futurama, which I didn't even know was a word. I thought it was just the name of an adult TV show. And I don't know how it's related other than the fact that that TV show takes place in space sometimes. Anyways, this right here was actually quite a bit harder to solve. So I saw the time signs, I saw these crosses, and I saw the word based, and I thought maybe it's a multiplication problem, but it's not one in base 10, it's in some other base. Some of you might have heard of binary, which is base 2. This right here, we have white, gray, 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 times black, gray, gray, times gray, white, times white. That's 3 different colors, and so I thought, okay, maybe it's base 3. And I figure, okay, black's probably 0, white's probably 2, and gray, being in between, is probably 1. I plugged that in. I got 2, 1, 1, 1 times 0, 1, 1 times 1, 2 times 2 equals 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1. Or in base 10, that's 2, 6, 8, 0. And when you type that in, you'll find it does not work. And so I tried a bunch of other things. I thought maybe white is 1, or maybe black is 2, I don't know. And I tried them all, none of them worked. And to be fair, when you try, no matter what you try, at least one of these will have the first digit be 0. And you think to yourself, okay, if that's going to be 0, you might, let's say black was 0, you might as well just get rid of that, not even have it be there. And so then I decided to actually, maybe I'm looking at this wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to look at it backwards. Maybe the digits are backwards. And so if you mirror this horizontally, you get this, which if we use the same standard as before, we get 2 times 2, 1 times 1, 1, 0 times 1, 1, 1, 2 equals 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, or in base 10, 6, 8, 8, 8. Which if you try that out, it works. And thank God for that, because if it didn't work, I would have had to try base 4, which would have I would have had to try out 24 different possible combinations for that. Plus, with the knowledge I know now, I'd also have to try doing it backwards as well. So that would not have been fun. So thank God that was the right answer. So that was the solution, and now I'm going to tell you how the glitch works, or rather how it worked before. So what the videos would show was that if you type in NGC, and then you did it again, the doggo would pop up. So what happens is every time you type in NGC into here, or anytime you type in 6888 into here, the doggo goes up a little higher. The doggo started below ground, and then when you typed in NGC, it got a little bit higher, which lit everything up. And then you typed in 6888, and then it went all the way up to here, so you could collect it. And it was coded so that if you just did any of those any number of times, it would just keep moving upwards and upwards and upwards. But that bug has since been patched. So now if you do this twice, it doesn't work. Once you do it once, it stops working after that. Technically, there is a workaround for this, currently at least. If you want to, you can just reset character, and then come back here, and then just type in NGC again, and would you look at that, the doggo is now popped up over the ceiling, and if I do 6888, it went up even higher. Now I can't even see the glow anymore. So yeah, technically the glitch does still work, for now at least. If you want, you can just type in NGC, and then reset character, and then come back here and type in NGC again. Although, since we already know what this code is now, there's really no point in doing it. It's just easier to just do it the intended way now. But yeah, if I want to, I can just keep resetting and then typing these in again, and the doggo will keep going higher and higher. And that might get patched again at some point in the future, but there's really no point, because again, it's just easier to do it the intended way. As long as you know the answer, of course. So yeah, that's how the glitch worked, and that's why the glitch doesn't work anymore. Because if you try typing these in again, but without dying, nothing happens. So yeah, I just found that kind of interesting. I'm not sure why they didn't just put in, like, if this is typed in and this is typed in, make it appear. I don't know why it had to, like, increase height every time. But yeah, anyways, that's this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned what you needed to learn. You got the doggo you needed to get. And yeah, see ya.